Everyone, regardless of age or line of work, should make it a priority to take care of their eyes regularly. In addition to getting routine eye exams and donning eye protection, a healthy diet is one of the most important factors in determining the condition of your eyes and whether or not they will remain healthy throughout your life. In this video, we are going to talk about 9 top foods that help protect your eyes and repair vision. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 9. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and broccoli are all examples of leafy greens that are high in lutein and zeaxanthin. These are 2 vital nutrients that help protect the eyes from potentially damaging ultraviolet rays and blue light emitted by digital devices. These nutrients also help reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, which is a common eye disease that affects the macula, which is the part of the eye responsible for central vision. AMD can be prevented by eating a healthy diet rich in a variety of fruits and vegetables. Number 8. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help protect against dry eye syndrome and lessen the chance of developing age-related macular degeneration. The retina, which is the component of the eye that detects light, can also have its function improved by the use of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids can be found in high concentrations in fish, particularly oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna. Omega-3 fatty acids are an essential ingredient that the body is unable to create on its own and therefore must get through the food. They are necessary for preserving healthy eyes and can contribute to an improvement in one's eyesight. Researchers have found that omega-3 fatty acids lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, which is the most common cause of blindness in those over the age of 60. The eyes can also be protected from other disorders, such as dry eye syndrome and glaucoma, by the use of omega-3 fatty acids. In addition, fish is an excellent source of vitamin A, which is necessary for the protection and preservation of healthy eyesight. Vitamin A is essential to the production of visual pigments in the retina, which is responsible for enhancing our vision when there is insufficient light. Night blindness and other forms of vision impairment can be caused by a lack of vitamin A in the diet. Consuming fish and other foods high in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin A can, in general, contribute to excellent eye health and may help mend some eyesight issues. Fish is particularly rich in these nutrients. However, before making any big changes to your diet or beginning to use any new supplements, it is essential to discuss your plans with a qualified medical practitioner. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin A, all of which are required for maintaining good eye health. Zeaxanthin is another important nutrient for eye health. Vitamin A is essential for night vision and aids in the prevention of dry eyes. Lutein and zeaxanthin, on the other hand, aid in the prevention of age-related macular degeneration. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, contain a high concentration of vitamin C, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of cataracts and protect the eyes from damage caused by ultraviolet rays. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, contain high amounts of vitamin E. Vitamin E is known to help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Moreover, vitamin E helps reduce inflammation in the eyes, which is important because inflammation is a factor that can lead to the development of eye illnesses. Number 4. Carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A that contributes to the maintenance of healthy eyesight, and are found in high concentrations in carrots. Moreover, beta-carotene can help reduce night blindness as well as dry eye syndrome. Beta-carotene is a plant pigment that the body transforms into vitamin A. Carrots are an excellent food source of beta-carotene because it helps to protect the surface of the eye and plays a crucial role in the working of the retina. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining excellent eye health. Vitamin A helps protect the surface of the eye, and it also plays a key role in the functioning of the retina. The formation of rhodopsin, a pigment that assists the eyes in adjusting to low light circumstances, requires vitamin A. Vitamin A is necessary for its development. A lack of vitamin A in the diet can result in impaired night vision, but getting an adequate amount of this vitamin through diet can help improve night vision. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an additional good source of beta-carotene and vitamin A, both of which can help preserve healthy eyesight and avoid eye problems. Sweet potatoes are a strong source of vitamin A as well. Fruits and vegetables with an orange hue, such as sweet potatoes, carrots, cantaloupe, mangoes, and apricots, contain a high concentration of beta-carotene. This particular form of vitamin A contributes to improved night vision by enhancing your eye's capacity to adapt to dim lighting. Moreover, one sweet potato provides more than half of the vitamin C you require in a day in addition to a little amount of vitamin E. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants called catechins, which can help protect the eyes from damage caused by UV rays and lower the chance of cataracts. Green tea is also rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which can help protect the eyes from damage caused by pollution. Green tea is loaded with powerful antioxidants, which can shield the eyes from the damaging effects of oxidative stress brought on by free radicals. Oxidative stress can cause damage to the cells that make up the eye, which can result in vision issues and illnesses of the eye. Cataracts are a common eye condition that is characterized by the clouding of the eye's natural lens. If left untreated, cataracts can cause poor vision and eventually lead to blindness. Cataracts can be prevented by reducing your chance of developing them. It has been demonstrated that the catechins included in green tea can lower the chance of developing cataracts by protecting the lens from oxidative damage. Enhance the function of the retina. The retina is a light-sensitive tissue located at the back of the eye, and it plays an important role in the process of vision. It has been demonstrated that the catechins included in green tea can improve retinal function by raising the amount of blood that flows to the retina and shielding retinal cells from being damaged. Glaucoma is a set of eye illnesses that can cause vision loss and blindness by injuring the optic nerve. Glaucoma can be prevented by taking preventative measures. It has been demonstrated that the catechins included in green tea offer protection against glaucoma by lowering intraocular pressure, which is one of the most significant risk factors for the illness. Number 1. Whole grains. Because they include such a high concentration of important nutrients such as zinc, niacin, vitamin E, and fiber, whole grains are known to be beneficial to one's eye health in a variety of ways. The following are some of the many ways that eating whole grains might enhance one's eye health. Prevent age-related macular degeneration by eating whole grains, which are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and damage produced by free radicals. There is some evidence that vitamin E can protect against age-related macular degeneration, which is the most common cause of vision loss in those over the age of 60. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, which can help lower blood pressure and lessen the chance of developing diabetic retinopathy. Fiber is also beneficial in that it can help promote healthy blood vessels. Vision loss is the result of this illness, which develops when blood sugar levels become too high and damage the blood vessels in the retina. Whole grains are a rich source of zinc, which is vital for keeping healthy eyesight. Zinc can be found in whole grains, which are also a good source. The pigment known as rhodopsin is created when vitamin A is transported from the liver to the retina, where zinc plays an important role in the process. Rhodopsin is essential for night vision and also works to protect the eyes from the harm that can be caused by exposure to intense light. Niacin is a kind of B vitamin complex that has been found to lessen the likelihood of acquiring cataracts. Niacin is abundant in whole grains, which contributes to the grain's health benefits. Cataracts are a clouding of the natural lens of the eye, which, if left untreated, can lead to eyesight that is blurry or even blindness in extreme cases. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.